First immediate contender, of course. And commentary box is waiting for one lovely first trade. It's every time he's got a point. But against Dipanshu Khatri, now let's see, has he got it? Well, Raider safe is the call, and that record is once again kept alive.
How to pull it out at the right time, Naveen. So I think this is the do or die in a defense of 5. That's a tough task now. You are Yodas, Rohit Singh, with the defense, the corner especially.
Yeah, and it's not easy. It's not easy to go against Dipanshu Khatri and Aryan Kumar. Yeah, that's the AKDK. That's the AKDK combination I keep speaking about.
1 point, Jaipur Pink Cup.
For the bonus attempt, you're trying to say? He did not cut the angle at all, right? He just went straight.
No, after the touch point. After the touch.
Oh.
Yep.
Nice. Shivam Chaudhary, what are his numbers? Every time he's got first point on the first raid, and it's a bonus +1. Dipanshu Khatri has been flummoxed.
Jersey number 33 out.
That to you as well. Provoking a defense is one thing, and then escaping is the other thing. See, if you look at his numbers
when
again,
you have those good counteraction skills, Naveen, that's how you provoke the defense. You know the way out, only then you go in.
Oh yes. And 2 points to Parvinder Buddhimanpura. See the calmness. Oh my God, he's so cool.
Can stand firm, Naveen. That's where the advantage was for the defense.
Then that gave the angle and the time for the dash to come in from the right cover. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, very correct. Do what I read, Anil. Yeah, you will not get anything from AKDK for sure. And Ronak Chaudhary. Yeah, there, Dipanshu Khatri. Even though there is no support, he still manages. And when the support comes in, the raid has been gushed out.
Jaipur Pink Cups.
That was a dash, but towards the end, he just went for that block, Naveen, single-handedly and just pushing him off. Nice strength in the lower body.
Totally. In one star moment of the match, and now look at that number that will come in the first half. See what he does, and see what he does in the second half. And he's been there standing. Oh, he has a dupki as well. Oh, but Aryan stops him. That's the first ever time I've seen a dupki from Shivam Chaudhary. Tall raider, tough for a dupki.
For the first time, he's been sent off court, is it, Naveen? Let's see. He slips and into the arms of Aryan there.
Defender ready, standing in the substitution box. Oh my God. This is such a mind game. Ajay Sangwan, Ajay Ganesh, in fact, was ready in the substitution place. There's a specific box that is there. And Parvinder Bura did not have that advantage because we've seen that many times, Radhika. He runs in, attempts the super tackle situation, and the all-out is inflicted. Oh, well, Sachin. He's my trip super tackle.
2 points.
Parvinder Bura doesn't struggle.
Brilliant, and that is my trip super tackle number 1. And finally, they get a revival as well, along with those 2 defensive points. Nice frontal attack from the defender, and the way the other defender jumps over the raider to get there.
Isn't it? India 1 star. Correct, the bonus was much needed. He did not even try that. Anil Singh goes in because Parvinder Bura, see, he's not greedy. He knows that there was a super tackle earlier, and now is that an all-out? Yes, it is.
Jaipur Pink Cup.
Brilliant.
All out.
And Radhika, when did that come? When Shivam Chaudhary. Dipanshu Khatri, there is a backup. Ronak Chaudhary comes in that right corner. And Dipanshu Khatri says enough is enough. That's the first time that he's been sent off. That came in like a lightning. And it stuck the biggest raider of yours.
Not his place, Naveen. He went in for that thigh hold. How rarely we see the corners going for that thigh hold, which is a proper skill of a cover.
Oh, Mikes. The Jaipur Pink Cups have won the toss. Radhika, they will have the chance to raid first again in the second half. Parvinder Bura intelligently, Buddhiman Bura kills the clock, comes back.
Thank you. Review successful.
Brilliant review.
2 points.
Sachin survives. Sachin Mahipal.
You have that. You have written your review.
Radhika, how good that is. You're touching your own defender and not the raider.
I know.
Good thinking. Very good thinking. It's a do-or-die raid for Parvinder Bura in a ease my trip super tackle situation, but you could have got a bonus point. Nobody was thinking about it. Oh my God. Yeah, that could have been a real big boost if he had got a bonus. Parvinder tries to kick. Nothing there. He's asking Sonu to come to him. He's not coming. Sachin's not coming. That's it. 8 seconds, 5 seconds. 4, 3. I think he's going to die down. Yeah, that's it. He's my trip super tackle.
Super
Here,
tackle. 2 points.
complete
Yuva Yodhas.
appreciation for the defense. And look who gets revived. Who gets revived after a long time.
But that super tackle opportunity yet again for Yuva Yodhas. But this time around, I don't think they just want to kill the time now.
Yeah,
They don't
totally.
want to be invited for trouble.
But Sonu Rati wants the trouble. Oh my God.
1 point.
The idea
Jaipur
was
Pink Cup.
right.
Jersey number 50
Sachin
out.
did not go to the legs. Sonu Rati's idea was completely right. Oh, we will see this and then talk about Dharnidharan Kandasamy as well.
Red.
Oh. Raider, or even a second raider, I should say. You know, and Dharnidharan Kandasamy is sitting on the bench, who's got a Thunder 20.
Exactly. And wow. What a moment. Yet
Red
again,
SF,
Jaipur Pink
1
Cup
point, Jaipur
nailing
Pink
it out
Cup.
every
Jersey number
single
1
time,
out.
Naveen. You know, though they had 2 super tackles, fearless raiding is what we're seeing from Jaipur.
Substitution. Yuva Yodhas.
Totally.
Jersey number 90 out.
The
19.
one-star moment of the match for the jump, of course. Speaking of Dharnidharan Kandasamy, the biggest raid of the match, because Shivam Chaudhary in the last man standing position. He needs to save the all-out, and he is having that speed, and he knows where Dipanshu Khatri will come to attack him. He knows where Aryan Kumar will come to attack him. It's bonus +1, and the bonus the Gabru has done it again.
Red SF. Bonus plus
Yeah,
1
just
point,
don't get
Yuva
tired
Yodhas.
of praising
Jersey
this
number
lad.
22 out.
Yeah, very much. And Anil Singh, he goes and attacks Shivam Chaudhary. I think he's not crossed the midline. The struggle is still on. Anil Mohan Singh, will he go over? There's a jersey pull that's coming in. And I think Raider safe is the call. Yes. Raider safe is what we heard. That's okay, Anil
Raider.
Mohan Singh. We understand.
Red SF. 2 plus
Both
2.
the teams
4
have
All
points.
out, all
Jaipur
out.
Pink Cups.
Oh, don't review this, guys. Don't review this.
All out Yuva Yodhas.
Only Ankit Rana has understood resist Radhika. He's very clearly heard.
Thank you. Review unsuccessful.
What did I say?
Raider save 2 plus 2
What
4
did I
points.
say?
Jaipur Pink Cups.
Sonipat
All out.
Spartans
Yuva Yodhas.
was the only
Yodhas,
team
your review
because
go,
Ankit
no
Rana
worries.
is there. He's understood that strategy, Radhika. No one else have.
Jersey number 40.
When you have 4 corners and 8 referees.
I somehow don't agree, Naveen.
Is
I mean,
it?
in this tackle, I think the verdict could have been
Inside.
different. Maybe for the jersey pull, a technical point is what should be given,
Substitution. Yuva Yodhas.
but not
Jersey
the all
number
out,
1
I
out.
guess, because his
19.
left hand was resting.
Very much. I can understand with his huffing and puffing away. So yeah, speak of the resourcefulness of the big cats. This is what it is. As once again there's a super 10 for Shivam Chaudhary, but he will not be happy about that news because his team is trailing behind. Ah, Ravi Bhati finally does something good.
Red
Finally he does something
1
good.
point.
What a brilliant
Yuva
angle
Yodhas.
from our jib operators. Brilliant work. Right house. And if Shivam Chaudhary keeps going like this, he can bring about that all out. There you go. Oh, well. That was Sahil Deswal. Oh
Red
my
out.
God.
1 point. Jaipur Pink Cups.
At the right time, he got that ankle hold going in. And I think now the 6 bonus points, I think everything, most of them, I think have come in from Shivam Chaudhary. So that's the problem. Only hand touches, nothing else.
Jersey number 90.
And I think
Let
it's
us
another
say
all out.
2 plus
It's
2, 4
another all out.
points. Jaipur
Once
Pink
again,
Cups.
Shivam
All
Chaudhary
out.
not on the
Yuva
bench.
Yodhas.
It's another all out already for the Yodhas.
Nobody to revive him once he's off the court, Naveen. That's so sad. I mean, the defender steps out first and again Art escape. Third time, expect there was nothing there since long.
Yeah, no, nothing since long. Nice block. Ah, Vishal Kumar, finally.
Red out. 1
Finally.
point.
On
Yuva
the
Yoddhas.
raid. Oh, Lord. This
Red
continues.
out. 1
Only
point.
Vishal
Yuva Yoddhas.
not done. Yeah, imagine. Oh, look at who's gone to raid. Look at who's gone to raid. Dipanshu
Red out.
Khatri of
1
all.
point.
He
Yuva
says, let me
Yoddhas.
also just taste the waters. He knows it. He knows. So, Radhika, on a serious note, how do they go back and switch on? Because it's really important. Tomorrow the victory is really important. And Anil Singh
Red say first touch. First touch.
has had the first touch on Aryan
Touch.
Kumar. Or did he step
Red.
out of the lobby?
Just
Aryan is saying he
42.
did not touch me.
22.
They have the
But-
review, but there's no time. But they wanted to, yeah. I think last.
Was smiling, you know.
Red out.
They'll
Super
say-
again. 2 points.
Oh, right. Out
Jaipur
of board. I
Pink
thought why she was smiling was because Jaipur had the review. They will rule it in favor of Yuva Yoddhas, and then on a review they'll probably check. But no. No, not to be. Not to be. Match over.
Match
That's the
over.
final whistle. And out of 3, Jaipur Pink Cup. Of
I
course,
mean,
second,
Naveen,
third
I
rating.
understand. This is one of the